Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner. When we pick this button we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the useful features category. And here at the third position we have the location tags option with short information from the device that this add tags to your pictures and videos so you can see where they were taken. By using the button from the right we can turn it off or turn it on like that easily. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera and take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is our photo. To check its location we have to just simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here we have access to the map with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.